Guys, we all love listening music and there are lots of music apps available on the Play Store and Apple App Store. But Spotify is on the number one position because of its some features. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about some of the amazing features of Spotify. So stay tuned with me guys. My name is Rahul and you are watching this update. Guys, many people love music during driving. So you have to go on the maps and then tap on your account and then to the settings. And in the settings you have to go in the navigation settings. Here you will see show media playback sound. You have to tap on that and choose the next. Here down below, default music app has been set now. Now during driving you can play this. Let me show you how. So I am going to play a song on Spotify. Now when we tap on the map and go for any work, like I'm choosing a location. After choosing my destination, now you can see a small Spotify button. When you tap on it, you can easily change the music from tapping on left and right side. Guys, I'm gonna tell you now about how to do settings with Google Assistant to listen music on Spotify. You have to go in the Google Assistant and go in Explore. You have to tap on your account and that into the settings. Go in the services. Tap on the music. Now you can see Spotify. You have to link account by tapping on it. Now link your account. This will take a time. You have to agree for that. If you want to read, you can also read that thing. As you can see, it is linked now. Now when I say hey Google play music, it will start playing music on Spotify. So you can use this. Guys, no one likes to wake up early in the morning, but I'm going to tell you about something important about Android clock. You have to go in the Android clock and set up the alarm, like I'm setting for 7 a.m. After setting you have to go in the sound. Here you can see you can set music from YouTube Music. Now tap on the Spotify and you can see your playlists are here. You can set music according to whatever your choice. You can also search for the music. I hope you like this